I want to pause and take you very quickly through the dates. On the 19th of June 2014, an account is opened. $2 billion are deposited into the account. On the 27th of June, account mandates and signatures are transmitted to New York by courier. And we have correspondence on all of this. And on the 3rd July 2014, they finally arrive and the mandates are received and instructions to make transfers are effected. There may be nothing big about that. Please note that for about 7 days, $2 billion is lying in an account with no signature mandates at all. And where's the evidence? You have the letter acknowledging the account opening on the 19th of June. JP Morgan Chase account is opened. We have the mandates being transmitted on the 27th of June. Please take these as the signature mandates and transmit them over to the bank. And then we finally have the deposit of $2 billion into the account on the 24th of June. All of these are from the website of the National Treasury, so they're available to the members of the media. You can download them at your own time. These are all publicly available information, either on the website or on the parliamentary bundle that the PSC was given. And that is the close of day balance, actually exactly $1.998 billion. So $2 billion has been received. The next transaction we see is a payment out of that account on the 3rd of July. This is the $604 million that was repaying what was styled as a syndicated loan, which according to documents moved to the Standard Chartered Bank in London. This was a prior commercial loan and was styled as being an expense of the sovereign bond issue. And there you have it, 604 moving out of the account. The next and third transaction is $395.4 million, or Kenya shilling 34 billion, being transferred to the consolidated fund according to the documents. I repeat again, being transferred to the consolidated fund. And there you have it, the transfer coming in from the JP Morgan Chase account. And the last and fourth transaction is actually an account closure. On the 8th of September 2014, the account is closed and the balance is transferred to an account held at Federal Reserve Bank of New York. I want to repeat, an account held at the Federal Reserve Bank of New York. We do not know, there is no evidence whether this is a CBK account or a JP Morgan account. Being a bank, JP Morgan can also have an account at the central bank in New York. And there you have the evidence, transfer, debit, out to the Federal Reserve Bank of New York. And then we also have these